So good evening, everyone, and we are going to continue with the same topic as yesterday we had discussed, and that was the political party. Okay, now let me share with you the screen. Let me know if it is good evening. Good evening, Rahman. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, Peter. Now, are you able to see my screen there? Screen is visible, Peter?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us understand now. See, this is very
Excuse
important.
me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if possible, can you send the question and answers of all the lessons, sir?
Definitely, why not? But
So we can prepare for pre-final.
and even
Finals.
I'm sharing the question papers as well in the group. I had sent.
Sir, not that, sir. Like all the important questions of each lesson.
Okay. No. I had sent the question papers for your practice only. And I had written there also that treat these papers as a practice, right? For English, I might have sent. Isn't it?
Sir, in social for all lessons, did you send it?
Yes. You don't worry, Beta, Ashish. You will get everything. Okay. But let me finish with all the topics togetherly, and then after I will be giving you the notes. Okay. Don't worry about it. Notes in the
Okay,
sense
sir.
the what we can say question paper questions which are very important. Now, Beta, let us understand. Yesterday we had seen there the single party system, double party system, that is two party system, isn't it? Two party system and even multi-party system that was discussed over there. This, why did I tell this? Can anyone guess? Why did I write this yesterday? Nobody? My mic has some problems right now, so I may not be able to reply. So, okay, no issue, Rahman, no issue. So we had discussed about the party system over there. Now the very important question is arising over there: why India, or why has India adopted a multi-party system? It is very important. Okay, it was asked in 2015 as well as 2016. In both the years, this question means in the year of 16, it is repeated by the board. Okay. See, Ashish, in this chapter, the questions are given side by, huh? Okay, so you will come to know that on which
Yes, sir.
topic the what kind of questions are being asked. Okay, you will come to know about. So
Okay, sir.
a two-party nation, it is party and not part. System could not accommodate the great and vast social and geographical diversity of India. First thing, why India has adopted this multi-party system? That Indian continent, we can say Indian territory is a vast territory. Okay, right from from the state of Jammu Kashmir to the state of Tamil Nadu. Here from Gujarat to Assam or Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so this much stretch, near about 3000 plus kilometers stretch, this is very difficult to hold the proper communication, the proper control over it. So our political system is being split, and these multi-party nations have been these multi-parties have been arised in the country because every sector there or every region there in India wants to become developed to become developed as early as possible. So that is why it is written geographical diversity as well as social diversities. Social in the sense, every region in India, you will find the different social cultures, social traditions, social ways of leading their lives. Geographical diversity, definitely. Why geographical diversity is being included? Okay, in this, why? Because somewhere there is desert, somewhere there is the dense forest, where it impacts upon the spread of population, its settlement as well. Are you getting my point? Okay. Second thing, a multi-party system better suits to the conditions and circumstances of India. It is a suitable system, okay, to the condition or the situation, or we can say the present scenario. Okay, that according to that, it is very important to adopt the multi-party system in our country. The social and geographical diversity in India is not easily absorbed two or even three parties. Means, suppose some party is active there in Assam, so I may not be familiar with that. Would I be familiar with that? Because either it will be a state party or a regional party. It would be a state party or a regional party. Have you got it? That is why in Maharashtra, its recognition would not be there. It would not be recognized. The party which is active there in Assam would not be recognized in Maharashtra or in Tamil Nadu, isn't it? Today also, there are many parties which have been established since many years have been passed of their establishment, but still they did not get the recognition as a state party or the national party. In total, there are 7 national parties. And I told you yesterday that there is a condition that how the parties can become national or state party. Have you got? There are some circumstances. There are some criterias, okay, of eligibility to become national or state party. Understood? Another thing, why it is adopted there by our country, the multi-party system allows us variety of interest and opinions to enjoy political representation. Why this statement is given? Now, see, multi-party system actually allows the voter to interpret about the candidate who is contesting the election. It means the voter has more choices. Okay. Another thing, the multi-party system makes India more democratic with more choices and competition. I just told you. Okay. There is definitely, if suppose for one post only, 10 parties are fighting within, okay, within the country or across the country. So there would be a tough competition. Understood? Because, and there is the probability that no party would get the clear winning or clear majority there. Are you getting? Okay. This thing will happen there. That is why to function the political system properly in India, in Indian territory has adopted the multi-party system. So we can see that the conditions in India demand for a multi-party system to give due and proper representation to the variety of interests and views of people coming from different religion, caste, societies, race, okay, such from every corner of the country, their interests and their opinions about the democratic country is different, and those things can be sorted out only by the proper representation. that can be done through the multiple people. Okay. So any other party system other than a multi-party system would be injustice to the diversity of India. Means would be injustice means one party and two parties. These systems, if suppose they are implemented, okay, upon Indian territory, so it would be an injustice, okay, to what? To the diversity. Now what we will discuss about this diversity. You see all the four corners of our country: northeast, east, south, total north, northwest. Okay, these things or these directions, you would see a lot of diversities in it. Understood? Northeast is a region where the Punjabi people, sorry, the Rajasthani people and all such kind of who are traditionally involved into their day-to-day lives. Okay, you will see this. East, not northeast, it is northwest. Okay, in northeast you will see most of the population is in a scattered form as it is covered with the forest. Most of the part is covered with the forest, and sometimes we would say there the cold region. Okay, after that, then eastern part is totally seven sisters are available there, and they are also having different cultures and diversities. South, definitely here in south there is a language bar. What is there? A language bar. In the sense, most of the South Indian people, they do not involve our the Hindi as their language. As most of the people from North, they are actually the Hindi speaker. So this is a diversity where they cannot be represented properly. That is why multi-party system is adopted by Indian territory. Have you got it now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now let us understand national political parties. See, it is written national political parties. It is very important to understand this because upon this, many questions have been asked. As you can see here on this topic, lots of things are being discussed. Look at here. Can you see the question answers here? Here.
Yes.
Yeah. See, first of all, read the questions. How are political parties recognized as national parties in India? Explain with examples. Okay, this is very important question, as it is asking you the requirement or eligibility of any party to become the national party. Second question is, it is asked in 2019. Okay, what is the requirement laid down by the Election Commission for a political party to be recognized as a state party? It is given here in this. Under this heading, this question's answer is given. And beta, one more thing. Suppose the question is being asked for 2 marks. So write only for 2 marks. Okay. Write only for 2 marks. Even if that question belongs to 5 marks. Okay. Or you think that the question should not have been should not have been asked for 2 marks. Still, you would have to write only as the weightage is given to the question as 2 marks. So suppose they are asking you only to write down the requirements only. So first of all, there is only one thing you have to do. You have to do the or give the introduction of the national any state party. What is state party? And after that, you'd have to write the requirements. Okay, of any party to become the national party. Sorry, state party. Okay, have you got it? Only 2 things you have to write. Don't write anything else in extra. Got it? So in a federal system, there are 2 kinds of parties. Federal system is called when there are more than 2 layers of government. Whenever there are more than 2 layers of government, it is called federal system. So every party in the country registers with the Election Commission of India. Every party. First thing. Second thing, all parties are given unique election symbol which is used by official candidates of the party. Means when once the party has been registered with the Election Commission of India, ECI, okay, if it is registered with it, so it will get the symbol, particular symbol, okay, for that particular party. And any candidate who is contesting the election through that party, so that person or that candidate would use that symbol. Okay, one second, let me admit Tushar. That particular symbol would be used by that particular candidate. Okay. Second thing is, all parties are treated equally. Election Commission of India does not discriminate within the parties. Does not discriminate within the parties. Okay. It offers some special facilities to large and established parties, such as providing them a unique symbol, as I have already discussed. Okay. The big and established parties are given some special facilities as well from the or by the Election Commission of India. Okay, like BJP, INC. These parties have got special recognitions and special treatment by the Election Commission of India, as they are holding largest portion of the country. Okay. Now, what is the condition required for the national party to be recognized as? Okay. So the foremost thing, many of the things are means the parties are being recognized over there. Okay. And if suppose those are means registered with the Election Commission of India, so they are known as the recognized political parties. Okay. It is very, very important for all those parties who want to become the national party. So they have to fulfill some another requirements. What are those requirements? I'll be telling you. Okay. One second. Okay, now. So first thing, when the party is to become the national party, so party that secures or gets at least 6% of the total votes in general elections. General elections means Lok Sabha elections or assembly elections in 4 states. Did you get the point? When any party secures at least 6% of the total votes in general Lok Sabha elections, it means when the elections are held, okay, across the country, so at least 6% votes must be secured by the particular party. First criteria. Second criteria is wins at least 4 seats in Lok Sabha. When there are the general elections in India of Lok Sabha, actually Lok Sabha elections are called the general elections as well. That take place within every 5 years. Are you listening to me all? Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Actually, just yesterday's problem is persisting today also. As yesterday also, there was a problem of network. That is why I was leaving the meeting for most of the times. Now let us understand. The party that secures 6% votes in the general election, whether it is of Lok Sabha or the assembly elections in this state. Okay, and at least it should secure at least 4 seats. Sorry, in 4 states, it should secure all the 6% over there. Now, at least it should secure or wins 4 seats in Lok Sabha elections. Okay, the condition required to be recognized as a state party. What is another thing that the party is to be recognized as the state party? So, party secures at least 6% votes of the total valid votes state legislative. Hello.
Yes, sir. Now you're audible.
I'm sorry, but it is a network issue there. That is why it is happening. So the state party, at least it should secure 6% of the total votes in the state assembly, okay, elections. Then at least 2 seats are being won by the that particular party, okay, by that particular party. So it would be recognized as the state party. For example, NCP, you may say NCP is National Congress Party. Okay, राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी उसे कहते हैं in the local language here, okay, in Hindi. So this party is a state party over there. Understood? Another thing, that national parties in India. Okay, we will go for this. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Beta, it's getting means the time is going means running there, but my network issue is persisting here. Again and again, I'm means it is taking time to rejoin the class. Okay, so in between, I'm going to means stop this class right now. Okay, whatever the things are being left over there, I will compensate. Okay, okay over there. Don't worry about it. Okay, but please do. Join the class regularly. You will get everything better. Okay, don't worry about anything else. Whatever the questions you want, I would be sharing with you, and what kind of the things, the questions especially are being asked over there by the board, that also I will be sharing with you, and we will discuss upon them as well. Okay, so I would like all that they would be means regular in the class.
So, sir, can we leave, sir?
Yes, you may leave the class. I have posted the message in the group as well.